Hey everybody, what's up? It's Melanie Thomas here again to take you through another wonderful open house walkthrough. Today you're going to join me at my newest listing here at 653 Armadillo Drive up here in Deltona, Florida. So let's turn this camera around and let you take a walk through with me. All right, come on, let's go. All right, so we come up here. We've got a wonderful front porch area, tiled for all your outdoor furniture, and come out here and just have a cup of coffee in the morning and look out onto your peaceful neighbors up here in Deltona. Okay, we got a concrete block home here with brick face in the front. Ring camera out front. Alright, as we enter the front door, we have a formal living and dining room here. Vaulted ceilings, very nice. And the space here in these formal areas again. Living room here. Nice bright windows with a pass-through to the family room. And then of course the formal dining room right off the kitchen. As you come through the opening here into the family room, we have a wood-burning fireplace. Two lovely skylights. So again, there's no lights on in this room right now, but it's plenty of light coming from the natural sky there up above. So you wouldn't need to turn on any lights in here during the day. As you can see, it's plenty light coming from up above through those skylights. Nice spacious family room with sliders that go out to the enclosed patio, screened-in patio. And then of course, your breakfast bar here into the kitchen area. So let's go take a look in there. As you can see, you have eat-in space in the kitchen. Plenty of room for a nice sized table here, in addition to the formal dining room. And in the kitchen, we have stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, stove, and refrigerator. Got a little work desk here built in. Homework for the kids or just doing the mail every day. Nice double sinks over there as well. Okay, one cool thing about these cabinets is you open it up, it goes across to the other side, so no need to reach. If you can't reach, guess what? Just go around, get it from the back side. Pretty cool, right? So all of these cabinets hang here are double-sided. In the kitchen, you have a pantry here for extra storage. All right, and so there you have it. So nice, spacious. The whole house itself is 1,772 square feet, but it even feels bigger than that with these wide open rooms and the vaulted ceilings. Beautiful ceiling fan there in the family room in between the skylights. So that of course is staying with the home. All right, so we have a genuine split plan here. So across here we have the secondary bedroom. So in this hallway, off the family room, got a linen closet here for additional storage. Bedroom number 2, right here. Plenty of space to put a full size or queen size or even a king bed could go in here. And just a standard closet with the window that looks out the backyard, which we'll get to that later. All right, and down the hall here is the guest bath. Single sink in here, tub shower combination. So good space. Throughout the whole home, by the way, is laminate flooring, as well as in this bathroom. No carpet anywhere in this house, which is a bonus. And then here we have bedroom number 3. Again, a little bit smaller than the other room, but you could still easily fit a queen bed or even a king, depending on what the size of your rest of your furniture is, but good size. This bedroom faces the front of the house that we came from. All right. So because I mentioned this is a split plan, let's go across to the other side of the house where you will find your owner's suite. through the formal dining room, past the front door. Okay, so in this hallway to the owner's suite, that would be the entrance to the garage there, 2-car garage. We have the laundry room here, where you have room for a washer, dryer, and of course there's a built-in utility sink and shelving, so plenty of space here. Got another storage closet here. Again, no shortage of space in this home. And then of course off the dining room area here in the hallway is the entrance to the owner's bedroom. Nice spacious room, can fit plenty of large furniture pieces in here. King bed, nightstands, armoires, whatever, you name it, it could all fit in here. So we have one closet here. Then a separate walk-in. So let me just slide in here so you can see. There's plenty of closet space in the owner's suite here. Just another angle of the size to show you kind of the depth of the room. So again, you can fit pretty much any furniture set you can think of in here. And then in the ensuite bathroom here, you've got double sinks rather. And then the enclosed stand-up shower along with a step-up tub. Nice windows in the bathroom, that's always good to have for natural light and also ventilation as well. And of course there is still a fan as well for that. So kind of got the best of both worlds in here. So nice little setup. Let's go out and look at the backyard. So of course, focal point of the family room being the fireplace and also the view to this spacious backyard. Let's go ahead and unlock that. All right, here in these Florida days and nights, you always want to have a nice sitting area outside that's screened in to keep away the bugs and keep out the rain, and also keep us cool with a ceiling fan as well. So perfect space here for additional outdoor living and entertaining. And again, like I said, screened in and protected from little pests that often visit us here in this subtropical climate that we are here in Florida. All right, so as you can see, this lot is just almost a 1/4 acre in size. Plenty of space back here. You can put a pool in, you could put a playground, swing set, whatever, you name it, fire pit. Expand the patio, whatever you want to do. Great for pets to roam and kids to play, if that's what you have. The great thing about this house, the roof is from 2019, which, as some of you may know, in our Central Florida market, the age of a roof is often a contentious point for homeowners insurance. So there's no worries here with this house. This roof is only going on 5 years old. So you're good to go with that. But look at the size of this yard. Pretty much big enough to do anything you would want or need to have back here. All right, guys, so that's the whole complete tour of 653 Armadillo Drive. Let me know what your thoughts are. Drop me a comment, shoot me a message, send me a text, whatever. I'm easy to find. Want to let you all know that I have a super motivated seller of this property that's needing to sell this house ASAP due to having to relocate. So I'm here. Let's make a deal, guys. Let's put this together. So until next time, it's Melanie Thomas checking out from 653 Armadillo Drive. I'll see you at the next one, guys. Take care.